Which HVAC repairs should never be postponed? Repairs involving gas leaks, carbon monoxide, electrical hazards, refrigerant leaks, sewage-like water leaks, or a heating or cooling system that has stopped working during dangerous weather should be handled immediately. A gas smell near a furnace or boiler may signal a fuel leak, so leave the building, avoid switches and flames, and call the gas company or emergency services from outside. A carbon monoxide alarm, headache, dizziness, nausea, or unusual sleepiness also requires leaving immediately because this invisible gas can become deadly without warning. Strange burning smells, sparks, buzzing, or repeated tripped breakers can mean an electrical part is overheating and could start a fire. Never keep resetting the breaker or run the system while waiting for professional help. Refrigerant leaks should not be ignored because they reduce cooling, can damage the compressor, and may expose people or pets to harmful chemicals. Water dripping from a furnace, air conditioner, or ceiling needs quick attention, especially if it is near wiring, because it can cause mold, structural damage, or electrical shock. During extreme heat or cold, a failed system is urgent for babies, older adults, pets, and anyone with health conditions, so arrange emergency service or a safe temporary location. One useful detail is that a frozen air conditioner coil often points to poor airflow or low refrigerant, and simply melting the ice does not fix the cause. A common mistake is assuming a small gas smell is harmless, so treat every gas odor seriously and leave before making calls. Another mistake is using portable heaters or extension cords carelessly after a furnace fails, so keep heaters on a hard surface, away from anything that can burn, and plug them directly into a wall outlet. People also delay water leaks because the system still runs, but shutting it off at the thermostat and arranging inspection can prevent a much larger repair. Do not handle refrigerant, gas components, or high-voltage parts yourself. Licensed professionals have the tools and training to test them safely. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.